Hey everyone, and welcome to TopThink. Today we'll learn 11 things that might make you smile. Now, let's begin. How can you find happiness? Well, the pathway to true joy is unique to each person. Many of us peg our contentment on achieving major life goals, nabbing that dream career, buying a house, or falling in love. And while those are all great things to strive for, happiness can actually be found in the smallest of moments. You just have to know where to look. You can find a little joy in the mundane and make yourself smile. After all, being happy in the moment is the number one goal for those on a mindful journey that are focused on living in the present. It's all about adjusting your habits with an eye toward well-being, while staying open to moments of spontaneity and fun. So, without further ado, here are 11 things that might make you smile. Number 1. Go to bed early. There's something so peaceful about crawling in under the covers and just being. When you're young, being sent to bed early might be a punishment, but as an adult, sometimes there's nothing better. It can feel totally relaxing and indulgent to call it an early night, to put on your PJs and to lay down. Now, if you're following the standard advice to always go to bed and get up at the same time so that you have a regular sleep cycle, this advice might give you pause. But don't worry, getting in bed early doesn't necessarily mean going to sleep. It just means downshifting into rest mode. You can get into bed and read a book or sip a warm beverage while you write in your journal. The goal is to relax and unplug, not necessarily sleep immediately. Number 2. Meditate. Much of our unhappiness comes from anxiety, whether that's regrets about the past or fears about an uncertain future. Developing a mindfulness practice is one of the best ways to stay grounded in the present moment. And meditation is one of the core tenets of mindful living. By staying engaged with the here and now, you can free yourself from spiraling thoughts and appreciate exactly what you have, and that's sure to make you smile. Now, to get started, try sitting still and quiet for just 5 minutes per day. Focus on the present. Notice what you see, what you hear, what you taste, smell, and feel. Maybe repeat a quiet mantra to yourself if you're having trouble focusing. Acknowledge intrusive thoughts as they pop in and then release them. Build your practice over time, adding an extra minute here and there. Number 3. Write in a journal. Another way to practice mindfulness is through journaling. The physical act of writing with pen and paper is mindful in and of itself as you enjoy the motion and the textures and you stay focused on the exact task at hand. Typing, too, can be effective. Journaling allows you to process your emotions, improving your mental well-being. And you can express your creativity, which is good for the spirit. There are many ways to approach journaling. Try free writing, set a timer, and just start writing down whatever floats through your head without stopping for the entire period. Or write a few simple sentences at the start or end of a day, summarizing what you've been up to and, most importantly, how you feel about it. Some people like to even look up writing prompts and respond to them. Or you can begin writing a fictional story. Who knows, the next great novel might be inside you. Number 4. Take a bath. Sure, we all need to bathe, it's just a fact of life. But taking a luxurious warm bath with care and intention, well, it's a lovely way to add a little indulgence to your day. The warmth of the bath relaxes your muscles, the scent of the soaps can be mindfully grounding, and the act of cleansing your body can help you literally and metaphorically wash away the troubles of the day. You can turn your bathroom, no matter how small, into a peaceful at-home spa. Lower the overhead bulbs and light some candles. Pour yourself a beverage of choice and hit play on a peaceful music or podcast playlist. You can even bring in a book or a magazine with a small towel to keep your hands dry. Get in and zen out. Number 5. Listen to music. Good music makes you feel good. It's a scientific fact. A recent study at Stanford University stated that a small but growing body of scientific evidence suggests that music and other rhythmic stimuli can alter mental states in predictable ways and even heal damaged brains. That includes sparking joy. So if you need a moment of levity, throw on your favorite tunes. You don't even have to focus on songs that are upbeat, though having a sing-along or a dance party for one is a great choice. In fact, listening to sad or mournful music can help you process and release your own negative emotions, leaving you feeling relieved. Playing instrumental music in the background while at work can also improve both your mood and your focus. Number 6. Read a great book. Getting lost in an engrossing book is a wonderful way to boost your mood and to decompress from daily stress. Whether fiction or nonfiction is your preference, reading a book can be a form of escape. It allows your brain to focus on a story outside of yourself and to live vicariously through another's perspective. While this can't make your problems go away, it can help you detach, to decompress, and to even see them in a new light. Reading is a calm, quiet, low-cost activity that you can do anytime, anywhere. And you'll boost your skills while you're at it, including vocabulary, retention, and critical thinking. Not sure where to start? Think about what genres you enjoyed in your youth and seek out the adult equivalent. Check out the best of and top 10 lists of recent books and magazines and newspapers that align with your interests, or head to the local library for recommendations. Joining a book club helps you connect with other readers who may have some inspiring suggestions. Number 7. Get a dog. Dogs are called humanity's best friend for a reason. It's because they make us so happy. Having a dog in your life is a wonderful way to boost your mood. Interacting with a dog causes a release of oxytocin in your brain. That's the happy hormone that boosts your mood and makes you feel warm and fuzzy. It also reduces cortisol. That's the chemical associated with stress. Dogs, with their boundless joy and unconditional love, provide valuable social connection. Plus, dogs need exercise, and they need your help to do it, which means that you'll get a workout too. Their general reliance on you gives your life added meaning and purpose. Number 8. Plan a trip. We all know that going on vacation is a pathway to happiness, but did you know that you don't even need to take a trip to feel good? Just planning one is enough. Studies have shown that vacation planning gives you anticipatory joy by giving you something to look forward to. Looking into hotel options, restaurants, activities, and travel routes can be like taking a mini vacation in your mind. By making plans, you're creating order in your life. Being organized is bound to give you a sense of accomplishment and calm. Making decisions based on your desires and knowing what's on the schedule also provides you with a sense of control. And new and exciting experiences are always a reason to smile. Number 9. Play a game. When we're young, games are a natural part of life. We think creatively, we make up contests, we enjoy healthy competition, and we feel a sense of achievement. Then, as we get older, we tend to look at playing games as immature. But cultivating a sense of playfulness can make you smile and add some lightness to everyday life. Games are a wonderful, structured way to have a good time. There are plenty of ways to get playful. Jigsaw puzzles, word searches, and crosswords are all easily available at the store or digitally on your phone. Even video games in moderation have been shown to have happiness benefits. Studies have shown they help adults build motivation, emotional resilience, and certain skills, plus they inspire a dopamine release, keeping you happy and focused. Number 10. Ditch your phone. Almost everyone has their cell phone with them at all times, but be honest, is your phone really making you happy? The answer is probably no. If you want to smile, then ditch your phone, even for a little while. While your phone is a great way to stay connected to others and access information, those same qualities can also be harmful in large doses. We can start to experience information overload, including from stressful 24/7 news alerts. We can begin to rely on the phone for answers rather than investigating a topic in the real world. And constant connection to others can also make us feel like we have little quiet time to ourselves. Social media can generate feelings of FOMO, that's the fear of missing out, and make us compare ourselves to others, or at least to the idealized version of themselves that they post. To minimize screen time, delete addictive apps from your phone, even for a few days at a time. Set a timer when you log on to social media and stick to it. There are even apps that will track your screen time for you and alert you when you've gone too far. Number 11. Help others. Sometimes the best way to smile is to get outside of yourself. Take time to help others. Altruistic endeavors have been proven to boost your mood. Helping others in need can put your own comparatively minor problems in perspective and give your life a sense of purpose and direction. Start with random acts of kindness. Compliment a colleague, help a neighbor carry groceries, or pick up the tab for the person behind you at the coffee shop. If you want to make a greater impact, then get involved in local service efforts like your town's food bank, homeless shelter, or community cleanup. You'll smile knowing you left the world a little better than you found it. Hey, thank you for watching TopThink, and be sure to subscribe because more incredible content is on the way.